In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on Apple Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send cash safely and quickly using your iPhone, with everything happening right inside Wallet and Messages. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your Apple Pay cards live, including Apple Cash. If you don't see the app on your home screen, you can swipe down and search for Wallet. Once you're in, tap your Apple Cash card. It's the card that handles person to person payments in Apple Pay. Next, choose Send or Request. Send is for paying someone, while Request is for asking someone to pay you. For sending money, tap Send, and you'll be prompted to pick who you're paying. Enter the recipient's name, phone number, or email. You can type it in or select from your contacts. Make sure you're using the contact they've set up for Apple Pay so the payment lands in the right place. Tap Next to continue, then enter the amount you want to send. Take a second to double check the number, especially the decimal, so there are no surprises. When you're ready, tap Send. This prepares the payment and moves you into the messages screen so you can confirm everything. Here, you can optionally add a short message or note. This is handy for labeling the payment, like rent, dinner, or tickets. So both of you remember what it was for. When that looks good, tap Send again in the messages screen. If you're prompted to choose a payment method, select how you'd like to fund the payment. Apple Cash is typically the default, and if you have a balance there, it will use that. If you're prompted for another option, pick the one you prefer. To finish, confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold your phone so Face ID can see you, or place your finger on the Touch ID sensor, or enter your passcode as prompted. Once it authenticates, the payment is sent. Your money will be sent through Apple Cash, and the transaction will automatically appear in both your Wallet and Messages apps. In Wallet, you'll see it listed on your Apple Cash card with the amount and timestamp. In Messages, you'll see the payment in the conversation, along with your note if you added one. That makes it easy to track what you sent and when. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.